Those are the breaks. I should just accept it. So many mistakes, and yet I've always kept it together. But not now. Another run might be over before it's begun. So I'll only be known as this washed-up wife in this sad and miserable joke of a life, if living is the word that does apply. Or maybe I should try and live before I die. I need them to know I exist. I need to stand up and be counted, make it clear I won't be dismissed. I need to sing out, I must have a voice. Though I know it could kill me, it isn't too hard of a choice. I need the reward for the years I gave up, my beauty restored as I drink from the cup. Tomorrow will be the dreams of today. The name on their lips is gonna be I need them to see me. I need them to see that I'm strong, to show them I know where I'm going instead of just going along. To turn this around, to be found before I disappear. I need them to see me and be glad that I'm here. No one has a crystal ball, so I worry and wait. Better dead than too late, and to hell with them all. Here's to one more curtain call. I need them to see me. I need to feel something and fast, to be in this moment right now before the moment has passed. It's the cruelty of life. We're denied what we need the most. So before I'm a ghost, I need them to see me.